Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Fit Nation Hub, where we dive into science, health, and lifestyle tips to help you live your best life. Today, we're tackling a hot topic that's been making waves in the health world. Is intermittent fasting the key to better health? You've probably heard your friends or favorite influencers raving about it. But what's the hype all about? Does skipping breakfast actually make you healthier? Let's dig into the science, myths, and practical tips so you can decide if intermittent fasting, or IF, is right for you. First, let's define it. Intermittent fasting, or IF, is not a diet, it's an eating pattern. It alternates between periods of eating and fasting. The most popular methods include 1. The 16/8 method, 16 hours of fasting, 8-hour eating window. 2. The 5-2 diet, eating normally 5 days a week and reducing calorie intake to about 500 to 600 calories for 2 days. 3. Alternate day fasting, you fast every other day. Why do people do this? Well, it's believed to help with weight loss, improve metabolism, and even boost longevity. But let's see what science says. So, what happens when you fast? Let's break it down. First, insulin levels drop. When you're not eating, your insulin levels decrease, which can help your body burn stored fat. Second, cellular repair. Fasting triggers a process called autophagy, where your cells clean out damaged components. Think of it as your body's natural detox system. Third, hormone boosts. Fasting increases human growth hormone, HGH, which aids in fat loss and muscle gain. Fourth, improved brain function. Some studies suggest fasting can enhance brain health by promoting the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which supports learning and memory. Now, I know it sounds promising, but remember, these benefits depend on the individual, and not all studies agree. Context matters. Let's zoom in on the potential benefits backed by research. First, weight loss. Fewer meals often mean fewer calories. Plus, fasting may increase your metabolic rate. Second, heart health. Some studies show it can reduce risk factors like blood pressure, cholesterol, and inflammation. Third, blood sugar control. It can improve insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Fourth, longevity. Animal studies show fasting can extend lifespan. While human data is still early, the potential is exciting. Fifth, mental clarity. Many people report improved focus during fasting periods. But before you jump on the fasting bandwagon, let's talk about the challenges. 1. Hunger pangs. You may feel irritable or low energy, especially when starting out. 2. Not ideal for everyone. Pregnant women, people with eating disorders, or those with specific medical conditions should avoid fasting. 3. Myth. You'll lose muscle. If done properly, fasting won't lead to muscle loss, especially if you maintain a high-protein diet and strength train. Okay, if you're ready to try IF, here's how to set yourself up for success. 1. Start gradually. Begin with a 12-hour fast, then slowly increase to 14 or 16 hours. 2. Stay hydrated. Drink water, herbal teas, or black coffee during fasting hours. 3. Focus on nutrient-dense foods. When you eat, prioritize whole, unprocessed foods. Think lean proteins, veggies, healthy fats, and whole grains. 4. Listen to your body. If you feel unwell, stop fasting and consult a healthcare professional. 5. Be consistent. Results take time, so stick with it for a few weeks to see how your body responds. So, is intermittent fasting the key to better health? Here's my take. It's a powerful tool for some, especially those looking to simplify their eating habits or improve metabolism. However, it's not a magic bullet. What you eat during your eating window matters just as much. If you're curious, give it a shot, but always prioritize what works for your body and lifestyle. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Also, let me know in the comments, have you tried intermittent fasting? What's your experience been like? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.